Hi guys, welcome back to Crack the Cure series with me Kavya Tendral. In this video, we will see about the easy mnemonics and tricks to remember the deficiency enzymes in lysosomal storage disorders. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Today we will be discussing about sphingolipidosis, mucopolysaccharidosis and glycogen storage disorders of lysosomal defect. On the list, the first is the Gaucher disease. Now, you start saying Gaucher, it sometimes sounds like Gaucher. A coach is the one who stands aside and gives boosting to us to achieve in our goals. Yes, boost is energy, so we'll take it as glucose for energy. A coach will boost our mind to achieve in many ways. So mind, we are meaning to cerebrum, so cerebro, and a coach will stand aside sidase. The enzyme defect in Gaucher disease is glucocerebrosidase. Coming to Tay-Sachs disease. Tay-Sachs disease is actually because of a defect in hex gene of alpha subunit. Remember, if it is happening in beta subunit, it is no longer Tay-Sachs, rather it is Standoff disease. So Tay-Sachs disease is hex A gene mutation. It is associated with aminidase action. So in Tay-Sachs disease, the enzyme defective is hexose aminidase A. Next is Fabry's disease. Let us think of fabric as a mnemonic. Here is the torn fabric. We are not going to stitch it up. We are going to use a needle and a thread. So when we are going to pass the needle and thread like from the side, so it gains the name sidase, and when it is passed, it makes a loop like this, which is similar to this. This is alpha, and we know in Hindi galat means wrong, and we represent wrong as this X symbol. So it is galactosidase. The enzyme defect in Fabry's disease is alpha galactosidase A. Next on the list is Krabbe's disease. Krabbe's disease, we take a crab. A crab has legs on the sides. A crab has a C-shaped configuration on the up. So C for it is cerebro and as well ceramide, because the shell is, we are going to think the shell similar to ceramide. So it is that, and when the crab is going to walk, it is going to cross the legs. So again the same cross is similar to X. X says it is wrong, and Hindi it is galat. Now we'll for our remembering thing, we'll take it as galactose. So the enzyme defect in Krabbe's disease is galactocerebrosidase or galactosylceramidase. Next is Niemann-Pick disease. Everyone in our childhood or even now will be playing the top. Here the mnemonic is, when we are playing with our friends, one of us will ask us to pick the top. So knee pick. So Niemann pick the top. What the top is going to do is, it is going to spin in the hand, right? So it is going to spin. So we'll take it as spin go. It is spinning and going away from the hand. So spin go myelinase. The enzyme defect here is spin go myelinase. Next is mucopolysaccharidosis. The first is Hurler syndrome. We like Hurler syndrome, take this L up. This Hurler syndrome is associated with L type of enzyme configuration. When we are writing L here in this part and this part is similar, and it is like this alpha. So we'll take it as alpha L irononidase. So it is enzyme defect in Hurley disease is alpha L iridonidase. Next on the list is hunter. For an hunter, what is important is the eyes, and we know we have a pair of eyes too. So it is 2 iduronate, and every gun has a gunpowder. In that gunpowder, one of the component is sulfur. So remember, like sulfatase. Hunter disease, Hunter syndrome, the enzyme defect is iduronate 2 sulfatase. Coming to the glycogen storage disorders of lysosomal storage defect. Do you guess what is that defect? If you have guessed this, Pompe's disease, then your guess is correct. In Pompe's disease, the enzyme defect is acid alpha 1,4 glucosidase. How are we going to remember? Think like Pompe as pump. One important organ that pumps in our heart, in our body, is heart. We have one heart with 4 chambers. So one heart with 4 chambers. So remember, it is 1 and 4. When we take heart, the heart is from the center, the apex is facing towards left side in normally. So on the left side we also have the stomach. Stomach is acidic. So the enzyme defect here in Pompe's disease is, it is acid alpha 1,4 glucosidase. Thank you so much for your patient listening.